Hello everyone, welcome back. If the Instagram voice message is not playing or sending on your iPhone, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to check the silent button on the side of your iPhone and make sure that the iPhone is not on silent mode. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then we are going to launch settings. Here we have to tap on sounds and turn off change with button and volume up of your iPhone. The next thing that we have to do, we are going back to settings, then tap on journal and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we are going to tap on iPhone storage, find and tap on Instagram and tap on offload app. After offload app, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, we are going to launch App Store, search for Instagram and re-download the Instagram app. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.